Do you want to study in Italy for free? What if I told you that Italy offers fully funded scholarships for international students, including tuition fee waivers, monthly stipends, free accommodation, and even free meals? Welcome to the Ultimate Guide. In this video, I'll show you the best fully funded universities in Italy, complete course lists, eligibility, and the exact step-by-step process to apply successfully. Italy is becoming one of the top destinations for students because it offers world-class education and affordable living costs. Students can also travel freely across Europe using a Schengen visa while studying in Italy. It's a life-changing experience. First is the University of Bologna, one of the oldest and most prestigious universities in Europe. It offers fully funded scholarships across diverse fields like engineering, computer science, and artificial intelligence. Benefits include a full tuition fee waiver, an annual scholarship grant, and accommodation support for international applicants. Next, Politecnico di Milano is among the top engineering universities in Europe and provides excellent merit-based scholarships. They specialize in mechanical and computer engineering, architecture, and design, with generous monthly stipends. Sapienza University of Rome offers hundreds of English-taught programs and multiple regional scholarship opportunities. You can study biotechnology, international relations, or cybersecurity with full tuition waivers and student housing. The University of Padua is another highly ranked institution known for its generous research funding and living allowances. It is particularly strong in agricultural sciences, finance, and human rights studies for global professionals. Finally, the University of Milan provides excellent opportunities in both science and social science programs. Programs in economics, data science, and public health come with DSU regional scholarships and housing support. Most fully funded scholarships in Italy cover full tuition, a monthly stipend, and even free or subsidized meals and housing. Before applying, make sure you meet the eligibility requirements. For master's applicants, a relevant bachelor's degree is essential. While requirements vary, a CGPA of 2.5 to 3.0 and strong academic marks will significantly improve your chances. You'll need to prepare your passport, transcripts, degree certificates, and a professional CV or resume. A compelling statement of purpose and strong recommendation letters are critical for your scholarship success. Most universities require proof of English proficiency. An IELTS score of 5.5 to 6.5 is standard for most programs. Alternatively, a PTE academic score between 50 and 65 is widely accepted across top Italian institutions. One critical tip: Sweden and Italy often follow a double application process. Don't miss this step. First, research your desired universities and programs through their official admission portals. Apply first to the university. Once submitted, you must then apply separately for the scholarship or regional funding. After receiving your acceptance, the final step is to apply for your Italian student visa. Here are 3 golden tips. Tip 1. Apply as early as possible before deadlines to secure your spot. Tip 2. Write a powerful statement of purpose focused on your unique strengths and future leadership goals. Tip 3. Maximize your chances by applying to multiple universities and scholarship programs across Italy. If you need professional guidance for your journey to Italy, Edunex International is here to support you. Contact us today.